Okay, guys, so after you have enrolled and put info at mhslive.net as your coach, you are going to go to your Haiku page and you're going to go to sign in. You're going to watch the video, and that's the one you are listening and watching right now. You're going to click here after you watch that, and it should bring you to the login page. So you're going to make sure ACT is there, and then try your username and password. So I've made an account, and I'm going to show you what happens if your password does not work. So if I log in, it says I'm having trouble and immediately sends you an email with a link to get straight in. So if you click that, so if you're having issues with your username and password, if you click that, it's just going to send you to, it's going to send something to your email. And your email will look like this. It'll just say, Dear Misty, you've received a request from your email to log in without needing your password. So then you just click log into my account. So if that happens, please save that email so you can do that every day during SOAR so you can immediately get in there. Of course, we want to study for the ACT, not the SAT. If you want to study for the SAT on your own time, that's great. The ACT is what you need to be doing during SOAR, though. So if you click on ACT, you're going to see English, pre-algebra, algebra, geometry, reading, and science reasoning. So what we're going to do here is we're going to take a week for each of these subjects. If you are taking the plan, you need to go at a little bit faster pace just because your test is in October. So you just can kind of do maybe a little bit each day in English, and the next day do something else, and then kind of go back and hit everything again. So I would start in something that you felt weak in and just make sure you're working each day. So 30 minutes a day will increase your score drastically. So if you're taking the ACT, if you're a junior, go ahead and click on English. So it will give you a little explanation here. So what I want you to do is just work through it, okay? So if you need to read all of this, and then you go to next page. And it will tell you what you should expect. So you need to go through this as well. So it will tell you a little bit about the class or about the test. Again, you see that there's 35 pages. You see that these links are clickable, so click on them. Look at them. Make sure you understand everything. Okay. And then once you get done with this, as you go through there again, this should take you quite a bit of time. I think the first page said this should take you about 45 minutes, so a day and a half in SOAR. Please take your time. Okay. And then when you get done with that, maybe on day 2, you can skip ahead to the practice questions. And then it tells you to get started. So you will have to read things, and then you will have to check your answers. And if you click the right answer and click submit, oh, I got that one correct. So I'm going to go to the next question. Let's see, I'm going to guess B. Okay, and that one was not correct. So you can see how this is going to give you some feedback. So read your feedback, and then you're going to try that question again. And you can see now it gives me a little bit different feedback. Give it another try. Try D this time. And that one was the correct one. Now, your coach, so a faculty member will be monitoring this. Your coach will see only that you got it right or wrong the first attempt. So please try your best. We're going to try to do some incentives and stuff like that for ACT. So do your best, and when you get one done, you just go on to the next one.